Hello guys, how are you? I believe you all are doing well. So our today's video topic is how to install Magento on Docker with Elasticsearch and Composer. So guys, let's get started. Firstly, we need to install the Docker. For install Docker desktop on Windows, we need to type here on Google to download the Docker, right? So we will click on this link and click on here to download the exe file for Docker desktop. It will take time. With this, I'll tell you I have already cloned the Magento project with this command composer create project repository, right? With this command we can clone the directly from project community Magento project community edition. We can clone directly with this command. So I have created a folder here with the name work Magento 2.4.5, and we have all the files, right? So still it is downloading. We have to wait for until it's done. So guys, as you can see, it is downloaded. So we will open this exe file. So we need to click on yes. You can see it's been installing and verifying the packages before installing all the package and initializing. It will take few minutes as well. So here we need to make sure two things. If you want to show the Docker desktop add a as a shortcut on desktop, so now you can take this button. If you don't want to show on desktop, then you can unselect this checkbox, right? So with this we need WSL2 instead of Hyper-V recommended. It is recommended. You don't need to unselect this option, otherwise your Docker will not work and it will stop as well, right? So we need to check this option. Now click on OK. Now this has been started unpackaging files and installing the things. So you have to wait for few minutes until done. So guys, you need to make sure your system requirements should be fulfilled with the Docker desktop, because it will take too much space memory, right? According to me, SSD should be configured on your system for better speed, and it should be 12 GB RAM, right? Otherwise your system will be very slow if you don't have any these type of requirements on your system. Processor should be very high, it should be i5 or it should be i7 or more. So guys, if you are referring this video and you think it is useful for you, then you can share with your colleagues and your friends and learners who are fresher in Magento. right? And don't forget to subscribe my channel as well and like my video. So guys, you can see installation has been done successfully. So you need to close. So now we will open Docker desktop. So guys, here you have to note down this one thing. You need to create a Docker account. I have already created, right? So you need to create first. So here the important step, I need to we need to accept the terms. Accept. Without accepting this, Docker will not run. Now I am sign in. I'm doing sign in. If you haven't create an account, then you need to create. It is mandatory to run the Docker. So I have already created the account. So I'm doing straightforward sign in. Open Docker desktop. It will verify the credentials. Then now it is signed in and it is starting, right? So our first step is done. Docker desktop has been installed and starting. So our next step is Magento installation. So I have already cloned the project for Magento, right? So next thing, I have already added the index.php file here, and next we need to increase the memory limit. Sorry, this is the folder we are working in. I have added the index.php file, right? Also, we need to replace the htaccess code, copy and paste here, and close these files, right? We need to increase the memory as well in user.ini file. To you can increase 2048 M, right? And then close this file. So guys, we will discuss related to docker-compose.yml file. Here are the image for web, right? We should take this version PHP Apache Dev 8.1. 8.1 is PHP version, right? So it should be 8.1, no more than less this, right? So we need to mention the domain here. So I have given the local.domain.com as an example. You can change the domain name as per your requirement, right? So I have also given the PHP memory limit. These are the environment variables we need to specify. These are mandatory variables, environment variables. Without these, PHP will not run and our Magento installation will not work, right? So this is the path for our Magento project. See work Magento 2.4.5, right? So another image is Docker container image is MySQL. This is Maridb version is 10.6. So it should be 10.6, and as I have so many research on this, so you need to specify this version without any thinking of second thought. You can go with your installation with this version. Without this version, it will not work, right? Another thing, phpmyadmin, we need to password, mention here password, username, root, right? Elasticsearch Also, I have also researched on Elasticsearch. It should be version 7.9.0. I have also installed with 8.1, but that was not working for me. You can try at your end if it works. Second thing, environment variable. You need to specify this URL as well. Without this, Elasticsearch will not work. And we need to specify one or more things for Elasticsearch. Without those updating, it will not work. We will do further in further video while installing like Magento installation, right? This would be ports are 90 to 100, and for PHP 8080 and MySQL 3306, right? And these are the ports for web. So let's proceed to further step with Magento installation. These are the Magento required files. So with this we will install Magento with this command here. So I'll add all the things in description, okay, so that you can refer all the things. You can copy and paste all the commands to install. This is giving me unable to load dynamic library. So I'll fix after this. This is the warning. Right, this is the main thing. We can't run installation command here. We need to run in docker web bash, right? How we can go? So first we will go on docker. So we will check if it is there or not. Docker-compose.yml file. Yeah, it is here, right? This file will play all the things with phpmyadmin, elasticsearch, MySQL, because we have mentioned all the things here. What will be the web, what will be the MySQL version, phpmyadmin, elasticsearch. With these we have specified with this command composer build command. This will install all the images, right? You will see here. Yeah, it will take time. This is a magical command. This will pull one by one. It is pulling MySQL, all the libraries. It will downloading and installing. Then you will see the image here one by one in this container, Docker container. In Docker images you will see, and Docker container you will see after completing this command all the things. It will take time, so you need to be patient. You can grab a coffee with this. You can see it is also pulling phpmyadmin and downloading the Guys, you can see it has been created the image for and MySQL, Elasticsearch, phpmyadmin and web. Let's check in Docker. It should be there. Yeah, you can see 4 containers here: Elasticsearch, MySQL, web, phpmyadmin. Okay, let's open images. You can see with this version MariaDB 10.6, 7.90, latest 8.1, right? So if all are coming here, then it should, then you can, like, it means it is working very fine at your end as well, right? So our next step is how we can install Magento with the Docker, right? So we will run command here, docker web bash. We will check all the things. Now we will go to cd app folder ls. You can see all the Magento files here with the vendor folder as well. This one, right? We will run Magento installation command. Copy. Oops. It, we have not changed the database name. Cd program files. Cd program files. Cd docker, right? Now what we have to do, we will check if our phpmyadmin is working or not. So guys, you can see we have a database with the named Magento 245. We have to specify same name here, right? So how we can install with the docker web bash? So we need to run this command. We need to access the Magento project, then we should, like, we need to run this command. So you can check with the ls and go to root folder. Yes, you can see all the Magento files here, vendor, app, bin, right? So we will run Magento installation command. one more thing, I have added the index.php file as well in this folder, right? This file index.php, and we have also increased the memory here, right? So we have already discussed about this. We have already discussed about docker composer.yml file as well. So we will close here. We will check it has been running or not. It will take time, but it would work. So you have to be patient in this step. You can see it's been starting installation of Magento. Now you can see the issue, current version of RDBMS is supported. We will search this error on Google solution. So you need to click on first link. So we have to change in this file app etc app etc ti.xml, right? So you will find, so we have to change the version here. It is to 10.4, so we have to specify 10.6, right? So 2 to 6, right? After changing the version, we need to run the command again. Guys, our Magento has been installed. You can see it is successfully installed. If you get any error related to elasticsearch, then you can do one thing. You can delete from here, right? Here, remove and image. You can also remove the image from here, right? Because it's not delete here, you can now delete as well here. After that you can run the command again to pull the image of Elasticsearch, right? So you need to add the search engine Elasticsearch 7 and host Elasticsearch and 9204. So you need to add in this command as well. I have added this to run successful Elasticsearch, to ignore the error of Elasticsearch, right? I will add these commands in description, right? So we'll wait for this. You can see our upgrade command has been run. So now we need to run another command, that is deploy. Guys, you can see here our admin has been loaded, and you need to click on allow button and it will show you. Guys, you can see our Magento admin is working fine, right? You can see here it's also working fine, all the admin menus, right? There is no console error. It's perfectly working.